It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys, and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making Dolly's Chicken and Stuffing Casserole. Now this recipe does not specify who Dolly is. I thought it may be Dolly Parton, but it doesn't specify that. It may be an Aunt Dolly or Grandma Dolly, I don't know. But you're going to need 4 cups of shredded chicken cooked. It is cheaper for us just to buy a rotisserie chicken than to buy a whole chicken and fix it ourselves, so we went this route today. You need a box of stuffing mix, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You can make your own if you want. 1 cup of chicken broth, and some salt and pepper to taste. It does have cheese, shredded cheese optional, 1 cup, but I love cheese, but we don't have none right now, so we're just going to go with this. First off, I'm going to shred up some of this chicken, and I'll be back. Okay, now I've got the chicken shredded up. Now you can shred yours a lot more than this. We like a little bit bigger chunks. You basically just add everything together and put it in a pan. It's easy recipe. But I'm going to start with the more liquid stuff. If you can hear lawnmower, that's Doug. He's mowing the yard. We're fixing to get a storm either this evening or tonight, probably in the middle of the night. They're calling for pretty bad storms. Okay, I'm going to add the stuffing. Up. Chicken, shred that up just a little bit more, or actually just pull it apart, not really shredding it. And it does say that you could add other herbs and spices to this if you want. Just make it your own. Just continue to mix this. I'm going to add a little bit of salt for now. Get it open. Maybe about 1/4 of a teaspoon or so. Some pepper. I'm going to just keep continuing to stir this. Okay, I added just about a 1/4 cup more of chicken broth. It looked a little dry. Alright. Now I'm going to take a 9x13 that's been greased and pour this in here. My oven's set at 350. Going to spread that out. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. If you're adding cheese, you'll do this now, and then when the cheese is melted on top and bubbly, then you take it out of the oven. Okay, here it is out of the oven. Looks good. We'll plate it up here in a minute and give it a taste test. We've made similar stuff like this around Thanksgiving, but this is just a simple meal, and we have most of the ingredients besides the chicken. But stuff like that where we've put back food, I've canned food, it has really helped us. Well, back since the hurricane hit here, and that was unexpected, and Doug lost his job, that's got us through a lot. So I urge you, if you're going to the store to get a can of this or a can of that, buy two, put one back. It's just really helped us out. I'm going to let this set here for just a few minutes. It's probably hot like lava right now, so we're going to wait just a little bit here and then we'll give it a taste test. Okay, here it is all plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay. I'll let you get yours, Dan.
I think I would have added a little bit more broth and maybe even another can of the cream of chicken.
Delicious. Yep, it is really good. Yep.
Okay. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon. Lord